till 9 and this sports night you can see 8 Abrel Philip Otu AK-47 the gunshot man Immortal Kwameja Kwe champion right amenyo ana afin so Bernard Padibotri womu na committee fam se na ba koma no mo techira boa this sports night you can see 8 Jao Samia Kwadiri enchi multimedia sports director ba kope double as the programs director the Asempa 94.7 FM so sanso na kuma Ura Kenansan chief operations director KT Kwatuchum wono ana dwuma ene de ana opone sa hini e de man se emfa sabri enda ne Ghana gudie mu nkunani ne moa ema mpuntuo ne nkoso emra Ghana gudie remfi gifty anti in terms of social media mami wono ana etechira boa ema ne ubonsi etida so se tafa e social media akọ Facebook a na se yen ana edema ye boa ema san hye sonkun ati atofem hye ne so mam sen common ebede in the previous of the show be kwa Asante Mantema gudiem ensam keka adọso na agema NA king of Asante Mantema gudiem ensam keka woni ne nua bright ye boa tela BYT mu baako ba be kensa na odin common ati agyan ne hu sena ne ma ezi eko ene no pai ene na mu tetetete a ne atia ne senya me adom na se ebue puno ede to se Ghana Football Association dibre no obi embefa nkrata se womra se nipa no ese wotimi enya eye degree a wes ne Mexico so nkita first degree padia lalai na mebisa se FIFA president se plata na ukita first degree na nse a Ahmad eye CAF president oba kroma na oye se wo kono ne oba ina ne se former president of the Ghana Football Association oni Ghana mampanyi ana koja aron ne krema honorary degree kroma enti degree ye de football na me adoma ho komo kakra ho me nkasa me rane editorial me rane commentary on it na wo hu sena ne ma AC eko ene awudi sema amafo pese de be she football mu na afia sena ne ma AC eko so me kai since 1959 Ghana ebe independence in 1957 na 1959 discover Bruno e friend na se baby e friend say Bruno Ahafo region no the first person or the live coverage eko krom no na a football person o chief butcher onko eye school da owie school no wes ne ma AC eko so a eye Brekun boys anem so de need fence akire owie a oda need fence akire mu se chief butcher na doctor 4 any degree holders no mo kroba mu na doctor 4 ahen ana wa adwuma kra kroma doctor 4 ahen ana hwe ball kroma degree holders ahen ana wo so invest ewo amanfo emu football mu kroma na me adoma e be kom na fere sena nema AC eko Dr. Kofia mu ankasa 15 years down the lane ana ekoba se Ghana mampende da president Kufo eto nsa defense papa bra na nka besta ne Ghana Football Association president na o doctor sabre no gusu kita ne PhD eto nsa defense ne doctor nya wetama kuluniti pempa doctor fomienu nkomomra oyini sabedwam se onim football mu ontia se kra ene tianya de obetua san ene de wese nema AC eko so no na de san sheba na nyame adoma ho nkomo obiri na ehwa ye de beba ense doctor ona de san sheba de ne wode wasi kire ndie wadi more esen ye de ne kra nyame adoma ye bekom na very sen hye ne ebesi akọ ne nkomo obiri ana ye de eba ora Kennedy Japan enso kansem ona bu Kennedy Japan enso kansem ba be sabre ente hwe amafo ye budi ho o se nkrofobia wo Ghana Football Association obobidin se omo ana bata ho ema nanu ada ana asare miao agi pudo e de kwhye hye sunkuma wode e de san investigations ne ba but be sabre obi antwiniti se me ne ebo medin no obi ankasa he me nam kokan anka bia mudi machi ene mo hia mo tepe mo fa mo response nkwa no so 0-100 wo ye to Facebook ra 5 bo mo nya fa to na mo bibia mo nka e baba nya be bo mo banfo se na nema AC eko e wo san hye eno so 18 piepiem no enyanti elections committee enyanti koma na hye for say election committee ka part of the modality so enyanye emra bieda ya fa nko congress bia nya adwuma Ghana mampanyi kra opa enya degree ne deje na me adoma ho nkomo ba na o se na hye ne AC eko dwuma ko makoma ko ba se duonu ne akire o madama wo na ta akire aboa ema ye the sports night still on Asempa Asempa 94.7 FM so etense jaw hye no so ma se betway fompen for the hye so kwantense aba o take a pick winner of the NBA now do wetense agime pacho but modern da so betenya sansa obetia putu skills to bear and entin ye kan for san hye so kwan etense ade ama be srew but modern da say obetia predict each round of the NBA playoff na afi winner of the NBA final no wetimi e de aba e pacho obetia sanboa e ma wo de 10,000 United States of Americans dollars etia kofie you be richer and entin American for san hye so kwan de ama why don't you try a free boat to any tekusimpo na kabre bampu sign up and pick up a way with a betway from paying for the patch of any 18 actually exclusively at betway.com.gh now they pay for 18 sending also a patch for the love of the game and in a conference share some quick edema betway NBA predictor promotion and yɛde ebro na wɔn sɛ na nneɛma ebesi akɔ ɛwɔ sanhyɛ mu. Music Awards nominees no so etua san to dwa. Who gets nominated at this year's 3 Music Awards? Jumede kɛse no so betua san pim no. Oba ha dia, who tune into Joy FM, Hit FM, Joy Prime and after 3 Music Award nominees no ebetua san ba so. Nyame adoma sanhyɛ so nkue etua san to aso no tie ka for the amount. Sɛ fa wogim na afei ɛwɛ sɛ na hyɛ no ebesi akɔ. 3 Music Award here for the music and after 3 Music Award 2019 at the biggest AS stage event. Ye kan for the amount sɛ modiada sɛ ɔdo wani betua san die kyina bɛboa ɛma nneɛma etia kɔ the amount. Adom TV, Ghana's #1 television station, mepacho 2 years in a row, 2017 and 2018. Adom TV, ye the most watched and preferred television station in Ghana. But modiada sɛ ɔpɛ bibia ye san to munchine eden hyɛ so kwetua san bro na boa ɛma nneɛma etia kɔ yi the amount. Mepacho de wase sɛ ɔmɛyɛ #1 ɛwɔ sɛ dwumadie mu. Color Party 2019, dwumadie no so etia san to aso nyame adoma. Remember that 23rd of February 2019 and a science so kwe baso ewo for Sunderland Children's Park at 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. and a side me can say 8 baso or say it's absolutely free. But more than that so do betian sa gym. Mambo be tese teche Franco Trading Enterprise, King City, Real Estate, DBS Roofing Sheet, Papa's Pizza, Mighty Power Tonic and a Oba Spaghetti and a Bell Ointment to Madama. One more and a touch the Color Party 2019. You may can say Etienne Santo Fem. Na boa emaniama etia koye ede ama ye nyina niti bomode ada so so du hu begim na afia hu sina hye ebesi akowe mu ana eta kira boa ema yede enanwumre nso Asempa 94.7 FM Sports Night Media kesi etime jaw na on sina nema esi eko hanom enes boma enso e studio hanom ana afia obema right amenyo enso ha ana afia enso kwa no obema Michael Okan, the youngest researcher in town papa e the research na ebebu ene na on sina nema esi eko na ajiman na king of Asantema Good Ensam Papa Kumase and Oko Israel from Ultimate Sampa at the leading air radio station and the most preferred radio station in Ashanti region. A whole Anna Papa air proud and privileged to be working with. And they was I was search with this one what the Asantema Good Ensam Eba Yankwe. Ensam Kikampa, Yankona na Ajima ho, na onfa Santimanta Magudium Ensam Kika Injan, Nana Ajima N.A. King of Santimanta Magudium Ensam Kikanana, Yamwajo Ubrini, Yankwe.
Okay, Prof, and the main Yancha for Mutia Asempa 94.7 FM. Some media brasso, say Danny Dana, said the Yanom, Yade Asantimanta Magudium Ensam Kika, and maybe a time say I had a banner. And so brasa to be na Prof and Mray, Aja Oba Santimanta one said, the Wahano, Aquacoya, Sante Cotocohon, some ye, Nanwa Damugi Moboye, and it's so far because some way dear Udam or can again in the moon. Asempa Qua Prof also and Merifa as Asempa from Smith. And then, and I say, and semi the two at the Formalization Committee, no say, idea says, you see, a year free presidency, no. Any executive committee members, you say, wow, person standing for executive committee member, this is be a Ukuta Bibi first degree, and I finish free presidency, and this is be a war master, and send be a Dutch, be with me, I be really Yengi F. Now, and then in your time, Kaka, and the Jammy monitor, and call for the monitor, radio commentaries, and in fact, and then who thinks and perform some more can I say, a Camilla question, and no do not support to power with Senka. Football, football business next year. You also unya proper manager. Na osanso you be at least any be okuta business background kaka. Na omutimo on manage team no na football asanso akwa business yi. Na osanso the business aspect ne ade. And so any nemu said the beya eja football no so ebetimi ayefe. Na eja u tie said na me di kan to just said na 76 kakona na say kamia kwa say golf amount for please and the normalization committee no one suggestion on the banam say and kofoni je ho pom begia tum ama sa no mano so tinya ba be ye adwuma jeja ni pado do na semedi kan no ti radio comment to be away ni mu ti dia dachi bia no normalization committee ne betimi implement na omodi ase status ni say the be ye no betimi aboa ama ye running of our football na no manyina so etimi akoye di ama ye na ejamde no pem ho a asante koroko asema na making ni nyina ne se prof na no ada obekaya Santimantemu aminim se oti TV dia nene na na Santimantemu ha se abranti fense so ndi Yakuba abranti ye se ni go do ata woko meka goals abranti ntimi hye wabo be 4 matches ni goals ni ntimi mane ade eno nam so Emma Santemantemu ha the National Circle Chairman Obin Sechere ene amane ono akasa ne nkofo na executive members ni bi etimi share di hu nkomo na ade no mpese omo ye ne se na nko mpese nkeja wo mtimi eye yibima na nka omo piska be 3000 nka ni sika ne 30 million na nkeja wono e de akwaku pie bebi a wo mko hwehwe mu e kire se so ni Yakuba se diom be bibi e de boan be sesane e be sane sane huma bim e be twitwetwa no bim abrante metimi asase atoto ntena no na ejom de sika no so de afa ho e de akwa ama abrante no ho so etimi ato no na in fact asem no anseda anye national executives na anye omode ama over the weekend meeting etimi koso na the national circles executives omuye meeting na obin secretary duro na de ba ko a omudi kamande ye ne se prof omo mo obin secretary pa cho ni nyina ne se national circles no empanyifo no bi fi se da bi even kwa na sana situation etia na nko obin secretary wunhia so beba public domain edi aba betu ja sa brand ne di omo ko hwim na omo ko hwim ni se no mo hu a nei ehun kakra no jeso mo yibi ma ene ko twetwa saka no na afio abrante no so etimi sha ase to ntana de ma ekuo no in fact obin secretary eto aso epa acho editum mpanyifo nanim se nya de se sa de no kra no be yibim na onko radio so enko keka kasan se medim nteje okopa anwa che o ma ise executives no so agiatum ehun se papa no fonso no ye eti se bibi on pese o mo ye ede boso ni Yakuba and the province say o mo decide say o me no kokom enya de so mba beto abontena already kura no I mean fantu just say obi ti say obin sechere oba abonten be ka sansensem na ya de say stand kotoko supporter be ka Christopher Damenya nipa opre asante kotoko wo national circles chairman no position no wo opre no ono na mate say wo ma ekuo no wo mo 7,000 Ghana cedi say wo no fanko na fi ade du ometimi aye e de abo ma so ni Yakuba prof abrante no watimi ato na afo watimi ato ntana de amakotoko no wono nso omo nso watimi akwa afo inteje eno ni asema isi aba betudwa e wa santuma ntemu ade fa so ni Yakuba ene asante koroko supporters no ho na eno ochimede eno so pem ho a na mawura team no kakra ene team no eto aso ekokoye training e wa adakogya acheneje no mkoye training omkobu training match na training match ni mu no asante koroko team no etimi edi nkunim against Asquad Deportivo eka mienu a Asquad Deportivo for no wo mo so entimi antenenja in fact so ene ho a obi te say Richardson no still prof abrante no ho enhyeda ento na obetimi asi akan ede ama asante korokoku no sanse they say so ho a kamia kwese na anu ada wonom ene team e fene say Zesco United game a Richardson no kopia na se bisi na abrante no ho hyeda ento no ama sisi ade emete kwanse bia abrante na we game no against Enkana no one we are no ntimi amfani amfan kire Zambia ankusi akan amfama asante koroko bia je se last minute bibi sesa ema branche no apomudin ni timi etuto din ma bibi dia doctors no etimi ema green light nya sa de ne Richardson no nya de se prof bitimi ednani e de akire Zambia akosi akan e de ama asante koroko nteje tim no wo mbusuwa e wa hoboabu mu a e ya hoboa se nyame ya adma okuada we bi ombetu de free Ghana ha na wonom de omani e de akire Ethiopia de metene so mgodu Ethiopia bia ombeda ho na adechia na tomato mu jeni ni so akwa akopiem e wo Zambia na afi nyame adma Sunday ewia 3 o'clock Ghana time no na game no so etimi atugenti prof en media se mobile a na se kakra wa hanom asante mantemu ade akwa ya asante koroko preparation so moye ene so far ura normalization committee no so a ensema odom de betujanko for troma de agene ene ototrom kranko for kan tax man ko for kan wo mo troma gene fa ho no a ho nsem leja ene edi ehini e wa asante mantemu ja prof ye boa no no yede eno so dia tumo nim live na Asempa 94.7 FM so prof.
Okay. Enti na se ne ekoso asante mantem no.
Ai.
Okay, kacha manfo wa asante mantem se ne abanie Ghana press mampanyin kwa person di a ne ma ye legible ne se Nite has been stipulated in Article 62 of Chapter 8 of 1992 Constitution of Ghana. A person qualified for election as the President of Ghana if he or she is a citizen of Ghana by birth and has attained the age of 40 years, among others. Swearing in, Yebeyamau, Nafe, ya insania, and so the amount, and one on Obi, Nadia Bibia Sankan Ubi, or Sanation, Nisikoso. It's the Ghana man penny, you cry and far educational qualification, and Edi, Medase, Namia Doma, and Kumubu Chia, or Chance Sebesancho, and him Semrebema, na Edi, Young Yama Esiako. Why?
Mate prof.
Okay. Iti Nana Ajamai, and also Ediwi Abijayano. Okay, enti no enkomo aba no ana ye di eja no ho sana niam AC ekọ won hyehyɛ eno so atimi SPM no Michael bi abokọ de
prof bi abokọ na so
bokọ ba bi a so meti enti bokọ ba bi a won de no ano no na mo ba mu na afi ahwɛ sana niam AC course me analysis kakra wa hanom na mo adwen aba si abi ai kama de
ya me adun wale mi ho ye pa
bi ai okay won
me ho ye pa
okay asante mante magudiem sanka ka otie kakra
mi tie kakra
okay o se ayamafo so se na hyene tuen sa ba se nei se ehwe educational qualification asa na yatonsa de afre FA president ana se obestani FA president ehwe san hyehye no ana meka amoma kai se wese ne ma esi ekoso am research bi o hanoma efa even the presidency Ghana ma panyidie enkware wese ne ma esi ekoso in the order of Melchizedek se na hyehye no wese ne ma esi ekoso no otimi sampa ohwe mu ne se ne ma esi ekoso Ghana amapanyi bakakra bi kra no po ana se omatimi ede omani school muda Ghanaian president's academic qualification since 1960 till date where cinema Asia Kosa me Ghana mampanyi ne funi ne boha but also officially starred president of Republic of Ghana and supreme commandant in chief of the Armed Forces of Republic of Ghana. The president of Ghana is the elected head of state and the head of government of Ghana. Since 1960, at the least 14 Ghanaian presidents have emerged, although not all the president of Ghana actually went to school. Not all the president of Ghana actually went to school. There is quite a number that actually went to school. About 3 of them actually got their PhD. Only 3 of them. PhD. Also, we've dug deep to discover this to be true. This list has been arranged in ascendancy order from the most qualified to the least. Here is a comprehensive list of Ghanaian presidents and academic qualification they have obtained from 1960 to date. Obama Ghanaian president academic qualification 1960 to date. Obama Dr. H.C. Kwame Nkrumah 1st July 1968 to 26th of February 1996. Obama academic qualification obtained teacher certificate from Achimota Training College 1930. Achimota School Nkai. Bachelor's of Arts degree 1939 Lincoln University Anocheno. Bachelor's of Sacred Theology degree 1942 Lincoln University na body no. Masters of Science degree in Education 1942 University of Pennsylvania. MA in Philosophy 1943 University of Pennsylvania. He was honored with doctorate degree in law at Lincoln University and most outstanding professor of the year by the Lincoln 1945. Wow. Obama Major General Joseph Atta Ankara 26th of February 1966 to 2nd April 1969. Tina Bako same year kakrafa baby oku school. He obtained the senior Cambridge certificate 1937 at Accra Academy. Where we ho. Obama Brigadier Akwasi Amankwa free for 3rd September 1969 to 7th August 1970. Ono so no de ba ko pe na eno ebo mu ho. Obama academic qualification Presbyterian Boys Boarding School Mampon AR Ashanti region. Adisada College Cape Coast CR Central region 1952 to 1965. Regular officers training school 1975 to 1958. Edward Ekufu Ado 31st August 1970 13th January 1972. Ghana Mapanyi current president ne papa no. Obama Government Boys Primary and Middle School Kumasi 1954. And onya BSc Economics degree 1967. University of Ghana Legon obtaining law degree and he was caught at the bar at Lincoln Inn in 1961 to 1964 on Obama Nese Obama Ignatius Kutu Echampo October 9th to 1975 until 5th July 1978 and also rest in the ACT ha Okomua Wanabako Sema academic qualification attended Trobom Elementary School St. Peter's Catholic School Kumasi 1945 obtaining middle school living certificate GCE O level diploma in commerce and enlisted our private army in Ghana in 1951 and a cadet training course and I feel with 18th century attending various courses including personal administration at the Staff College US Commanding Office 5th and then 6th Battalion 1959 to 1966 and we Lieutenant General Fred Williams Akwesi Akufu 5th July 1978 till 4th June 1979 and also called Abako Serious and Mexico Coast academic qualification or called Presbyterian Secondary School Udumase Krobo Eastern Region 1957 or attended Royal Military Academy and also UK in 1958 to 1960 and called parachute training parachute ni training no koy no de bedi mampanyin UK 1961 Staff College United Kingdom 1967 and after National Defence College India 1973 no de bedi mampanyin Dr. Hila Liman 24th September 1979 till 31st December 1981 on an academic qualification a BA degree in history and the University of London, PhD in political science and constitutional law at the University of Paris. President John Ejokunku for 7th June 2001 to 7th January 2009. Academic qualification, Government Boys Primary and Middle School, Kumasi, 1954. Student of Prempeh College, Kumasi, obtaining law degree and was called to the Barrett Lincoln Inn. And also 1959 to 1961, Oxford University took further studies in law, 1961 to 1964. Oba Professor John Evans at Fifi Mills, and so Akachia, and also Bedi Mampenyi, Eddie Magana, may so rest in perfect peace. 7 January 2009 till 24th July 2012, academic qualification, General Certificate of Education, GCE, Advanced Level 1963, Achimota Secondary School, Bachelor's Degree and Professional Certificate in Law 1967, University of Ghana, LLM 1968, London School of Economics and Political Science, and Onyan PhD in Law in 1971, School of Oriental and African Studies, SOAS, in London, and Afi Onoso Edisi Ho, Edemaya Hanum. Yeba John Dramani Mahama, 24 July 2012 to 7th January 2017, academic qualification, Bachelor's Degree in History, Abako Samoya Diapa, Tuho Kasawa Kambako Sempa, 1981, the University of Ghana, Legon, Postgraduate Diploma in Communication Studies, 1986, the University of Ghana, Legon, Postgraduate Degree in Social Psychology in 1988, Nana Ekufuado, 7th January 2017, Uboma Government Boys at the Braka Anoko School, later, and then HTML Road Secondary School, Road Secondary School, Kimbu, both in Accra Central, O level and A level, and also Western ACL Lansing College, Success England, or philosophy, politics, and then economic course, New College, Oxford 1962, and after Okita Bachelor's in Economy degree, the University of Ghana, Legon 1967, and a law in Inner Temple in the United Kingdom, and also Uraho Inner Temple, and after so Western ACL Kosa, he was born William Adodankwa Akufo-Addo, President Akufo-Addo, who was called the English Bar, Middle Temple in July 1971 and the Ghanaian Bar in July 1975. Where's National City away no quick fast you need to know. Niema we are eligible to stand as the president of Ghana no or say as stipulated in Article 62 of the Chapter 8 of the 1992 Constitution of Ghana. A person is qualified for election as the president of Ghana if he or she is a citizen of Ghana by birth. And has attained the age or have attained the age of 40 years, among other things. Swearing in, newly elected president is sworn in by the Chief Justice at the Independence Square in Accra before the citizen of Ghana. Wow. Now for what they are about in saying or say the president receives the president's sword and the presidential seat, a neatly carved seat decorated with gold. Immediately after he takes the oath of office, these items are used to display the rank of his office and are usually used as special occasions. And one no, we are no we count degree be count educational background be count educational background be count. That's all. Yes. Inti se pemua near san kuma me san ka manfo e wo se na se ko me ba ko kaje kwa me so nya botrema me no no won wa botrema na me kle sa doubt we e be nkofo adwene mu evidence se binya do mo mpa kenkan na bia no o ye kan no mo tia no beto atum no me de me wimu a me kenkan no ma be kan no ma be cheche mo che gana fo yi mo se na nyama esi ekoso do ta ko fia mo a we se na nyama esi ekoso no dwumadi 15 years down the lane and a Ghana man paying that President J. Kufo atun san friend sen komra no mbedi Ghana Football Association president o si onim football mu sabre no ne doctor anya ho nya ho tamakro no kita PhD when time the FA president that time no yes ebe say ebe penne na obaje normalization committee emna bia de beba o football mu bia no ese etime san trans the law must stand the test of the vote of Congress. Esen Kofo Congress na vote ni nya 75% of eligible voters no mutimi eto aba wasamra no so asana be emra. Tuntimi tran finance share na na fese no be adwuma nya adwuma. Be bia fifa mna no o transia say ya test ni nya 75% of the vote cast asana ba be mra e congress na sanhye mu no e ko ma hwesna ne ma esia koso medical catcher there the 15 years down the lane Dr. Nyawota Maklo abeli pele ne ben kofi omukwa they were nominated in those days 2004 and president Kufuor appointed Dr. Nyawota Maklo and Dr. Kufiamwa so momra na nko mombeja adwuma no kita PhD wentia be adwuma no yakike ni chema hwesna ne ma ese koso 2nd December 2005 FIFA mra ye de bu Ghana e wo ha no FIFA am ye de congress am ye test ya sana ye de samra e be adwuma e okroma eno achi kwawes na nyama ese koso article 15 eno na mpanyfo hwe nim se kwabia so ebetia be ho amendment o enye se na hye ne ese ko 28 September 2012 Ghana Football Association election regulations it was approved ayen hye ko congress emi approve ye ansana ebe mra aye de ebebu Ghana football itema 40 ba bi keka ne yomo da nipa mienu ntimi transe en hye de meni o masichire eme kire se ne yenye Ghana football e okroma insida normalization committee chairman and its members no mo ne omo members no wo mo need the mandate so mandate say on betia bibia mo pebia da apart from say congress on betia fair congress after so much ma adwen no congress le be approve nei wo ne clubs no na ekono e na edi ayensi wontokwa ho e fa just a simple competition wo okroma ma mesan ko bio na mesan kyeremu the whole Ghana wrestling chani esia koso a makan president a omo wo FNC academic qualification kakra mpo mu die niu e wasana nema esia koso se Ghana ye pema mpanya academic qualification the whole Ghana krampo no ye pema mpanya academic qualification kan let the Ghana Football Association ana ye pen kenye san ka kredon kwa se benyado JHS dem consider no onko fan krata ase obegina Ghana FNC Ghana president emra engineering tunu mane nkwa ko se okovert ansa na disqualify no hihye mu en case da e wasana hye na esia koso no ma mesan ko mu bio oni jamu ene sam o kire mu ene penfa do a on be boa ma Ghana football be do sam penpenso ni they didn't have any qualification on betra mu boy dwuma be pem sam penpenso ene Ghana agudi abedu ba bia duin they didn't have any qualification ma mesan ko mu bio en kire amafo se na nema esia koso on hyehyɛ awdo nu so etwensan piepie mu e Ghana agudi mu na for monti ase yi se FIFA president FNC Ahmad onu kwa nandu ya ana question ntachi Ghana Football Association president dada ene Ghana mampanyi akoja na man beje honorary degree okroma Ahmad when the Juma dia he was a football person me kona bako se mu kire na nema ese koso Ahmad born on 30th December 1959 Malagasy son of from football administrator he became a politician after being both a football player and a coach. Wow. No, so a football player, no, so a coach, and no boy, Juma. Since February 2003, he served as the president of Malagasy Football Federation, and currently in his third period of office, and on the best Stanley CAF presidency. In March 2007, he was voted as the president of CAF, winning 34 votes, and on the 2 to 20 votes. He became the 7th president of the body. Before then, he was a member of the body's executive committee. Before then, he was a member of the body's executive committee on FIFA and on the bar football. Let me continue to make things clear and very explicit to Ghanaians, well-meaning Ghanaians, what I say, and Ghanaians who are discerning. Now, man for any and summer any in so be a mukeka, our Jumedia Gusudia or Ghana good you. Now, a man for TSC a year, our Jumedia no sweat and sapino. We am listening to Asia Costa, Ghana Mampinidiano, as I you muka keke. But I say, you will be our sound mind. Over the age of 14, I want to see.
Let me qualify some president.
I mean, to be on why? You listen to Asia Coso. Okay, doctor degree. How many doctors? And all football clubs of Kuma. Doctor degree need a degree holders. How many of them? And a year doctor degree of Kuma. How many doctors? And a year better matches in the crowd stadium. How many doctors? And a year more JA the various sporting activities in Kuma. And let alone, you have a fat doctor Nino Abeshe and Radia May or Ghana football. A being see that. I mean, Kebu, Naman Fontia say, and go fast Benyado, young woman, man from Yakub Moro. What I say, when a Bakosema or Cobrecum boys school, Oriel school, when it was to be on Chief Butcher. Well, no, any the first person since 1959. I discovered say could be a fence several and a half no. When the first person made the television coverage, a cob and a half.
Wow.
Because of Brecum Asna. Only first person mark half inspection team, Eba Brecum Brona half, and Momo Corre, Nijumedia no this time no. Now Brecum Asna for qualify. Woman a Black Devils of Congo and a dear case in a pen so me yomufimu. Pedro Atletico 4 by Emma no so much almost says Sibidimum. He is a Chief Butcher. Kita degree bia, masters bia. I was telling him because he's the first person in the history of Ghana, whether you like it or not. These are people who have made a very remarkable records in football. what I say time no na Dr. Kofi Amu no kita 14 cars na chibucho kita ka bia odnisika football e de mabrekuma gina ho samanfo nim saba kwasemi na me catch them we discovered players like John Pensamo Emmanuel Ajman Bedumu any other players from the Kumas na Boboko no emene sa players be prominent features in a national team he was not a degree holder. He didn't hold any position in in academics. Oh, the Jumedia would send him. Okay, go and Chema Wrestling and Nema Asia Costa, Elijah Abdul Karim Gusa, count the number of players. Currently, as assistant coach one of the national team, no, Elijah Gusa product. Samuel Sagu Fosika, Wodi Okroma in Elijah Gusa product. There are a lot of players, one of Abeboa, Malam Yayamu, a lot of players are Abba Ghana Hanma, Womu Ena, a product of Alhaji Abdul Karim Gusa. The team can find Alhaji Gusa, a Makola, a Makaranta scholar. On classroom, a former educational classroom yada or Makaranta scholar. Jim dear, the Sika Unya the tone and training channel, Kakao Nyano, the Buakana, no, where are doctors? Where are the degree holders? Also, the Mexico and they can't. Nancy and Trophobia TV, no more bombers, and just so any jamo, some watch them more, Uncle Ben Coffee, and then in Croft from Crampo Bano, Uncle Ben Coffee, so any another problem. Our Ghana football, when he first came, I know Moshabua, no matter minister football Russo Cromano, also the same thing, no Nimson and Mexico, into Nogasa or Vitoye. By the power, say clubs I see a kind that times after not to do my TJs. I qualify for middle league. Our Ghana Hanum, one Wangasa transition, the MFRE Kofinsi and the Danger Secretary. Say Omunko, Nayan and Chon Krata, young money to do my TJs for so much film. Now, my first speculation Sabreno, not team your friends say Olympiacos, said Dena, a decoca. One with team of Mako Todiaba. Now, my first speculation say Azan, and an answer to do my TJs for no. Eh, say Bear, Bema, Olympiacos, that time, a deco Camonisca, Omato place like a sack, means no pequia, and Camomo Mabasu into your Chon Krata at the Bandium. You copy him or High Court and any Kakeke, or San Shani Asia Cosono. Sabreno, and Penfo at Vincent Seca, Aya Uncle Bencofun, Mekai, Uraya, Ladanso, and I will pay him 2 others on the net formal a management board no at that time only a Uncle Benkofi on the Tasse and more bandit to do my TJs and of the case in the court. It was interesting. In our law, in our rules and regulation of the Ghana Football Association, as I also through the disciplinary committee of the Ghana Football Association. It is Anka Ampanyampa to do my TJs okay, sir. As someone notified disciplinary committee 8 days before and Sana and a 10 middle league, so they didn't. Now somebody has a copy of court no Sabreno, judge with Tensan Trust, no a high court judge, a friendly justice ample. 17 years down the lane, now our Cocoa Affairs Court, and they were a Supreme Court judge. Some are paid transfer. Say, I have read through your laws, I've read through your status, I've read through Mrebi Edibu Ghana football, FA president, and as FA chairman, and as FA boss. No, we need to me so bandit club ya wanum, and the Mra and the Yagama Ghana. Yes, I come over here, son, Yama Asia course, it was 25 pages. And Papa no 18 team digun krata so it is a fair case no matter not to the disciplinary committee baby amra wono e ya na chinye ni ho it ye catch from say mra no what that has been stipulated and no miss so dua say ya to nsa their first 6 other regions e dia beka ho by now can see the modalities statement saba election committee no say en share am okay na election committee no one more head no dey say modalities we betia beto dua say we ni hihya ye pese ye dey then clubs will go to congress and vote mra bia me say anko congress bia no it will not stand the test of time. Your best speculity on who abese who say unkusi who el chroma me san kezi subiu asan subiu asa kebiu Cape Coast High Court na no ada fence say papa MNS do any royata e de kopim so honom na say legibility to stand as a fence a position bia or region bia mu no e say witimi be with a club for 2 years and then say twensa by na royata say was general club bi asan general club no de ba High Court judge Cape Coast and then ba say you must be consistently with one club for 2 years and so they read through say the case be a court and some more passes na say amanfo di eche yodom no na say the kwa when anybody takes this matter to court the court in his wisdom will look at the association's regulation to make a choice Ghana na kese we krampo no yan for educational qualification and a human penny madam ase na masa akomu na ene Kwame Opayado ahwehwe nkomo briefly nya hwese na ma esi ekoso e wa kraso fufu aka che Kwame mmoadwo
ya na wale mejo so
bibia bokode
nyamya do adaroma ya hoye
I will say from the academic perspective me say wano ye meka so obeka bibia ka kire me na me manka
wale na se sanya me na yeriba be ye and then we still have some learning to do, you understand, because there's no classroom na this year, there's no football na this year.
You understand? Unless it's you can say young fantasy say somebody must have masters before you be able to contest, right? If you have that master's degree and now you have your doctorate degree or whatever degree that you have, and you don't have any knowledge in football, and you see any day. Or if that person has been able to learn on the job, and we all understand and we all know that, look, this is an individual that his understanding of the game, whether the modern style of developing the game and running football clubs, it's unquestionable. Even though the economic level, they ain't do that level. So what do we do?
ASM, because now we have even doctors. Our more money and normalization committee. No, so we almost some quadra and some quarter. Nemre few class of the back count. Nemre few class of the back count.
One of the areas sometimes when I think about it, I think we are not being fair to ourselves as football people. I'm saying this because minim say now can I say obi na na come studio one time ago. Say at another ministry. You will never see a football person I find so uncle can was it's young football on Kwana Semusia 77 for doctor me and I say for police me. With all respect to everybody, go for Bina or Mumbran or Mumbe can be to make sure that it works well. But when something happens somewhere, find them who say football person be a say, you see, put your football aside and use your other knowledge and go and talk about that situation to normalize it or to stabilize that situation before.
Just how you want to say, Asempa who cry, Messa book compon Quabaco Sema, a chess Ghana paying for one more episode, one more deal football number, Boamani, Matthew, could be a boy family say, I'm for back honorable Mama Yarega. Oti, eminent friends, a football eminent personality, so okay, 3 days, I'm yet here per diems the mom. Obia, Nana Sam Brew Butler, Obia, a friend saying, Commission at Chino. Say why fraudulent at intimo fano volleyball football only any chairman edema science and be someone say uncle congress no standing the test of time Sanya my call congress if you 2 days a call congress or ye na documented gun kratas no uncle congress no standing the test of time.
These are serious things. I think that if we will enjoy our football going forward, we must look at it and look at it very well. It shouldn't be just with positioning and another position, high position and a high knowledge in academic knowledge and the idea of football. You understand? You should be able to have what it takes to transform a football club or to run a football club or to bring some positiveness in football or another kind of say in terms of sport. If we don't see it that way, every day now we want the not the appropriate people to get into football, but just allow anybody at all in quotes to get into football or sports. We will never be able to get to the level that we want to find it. Here, Lamine Obi didn't come over office there. Is it possible that where the European football has gotten to now, in terms of everything, infrastructure, player caliber, right? In 10 years' time, will we be able to get there? Maybe I'm going to say, I know. Now, if it is possible to get there in 10 years' time from today, that's what we are watching on television, that will be now. Where will they be? And then panic me say, look, even it is even possible that in the next 10 years, Segabune die and terminate 50% now, it will widen up again because we are refusing to do the right things that will let our game develop, that will let our football be as important as it should be. But meanwhile, we continue to sit back here and enjoy the Kosovo approach, but making sure that it happens here becomes a problem.
You go more quickly near here. Say house of folk, my breaky, now more to Tunia maybe ye, boy, and come on, cray.
You will leave me that. It's a surprise. So we better say house of folk here breaky because you could train in a net. And tomorrow, yet again, we are training. We'll be at the training ground. And then on Wednesday, the Liberty Professionals, Everbo, friendly match, Wednesday, 3:30, Ever Pokemon venue. We are, as I speak to you now, we are also arranging another friendly match that will be played over the weekend against Dreams FC. We will communicate to the venue make sure that by the close of tomorrow and by Wednesday morning, yeah, we should be able to communicate to the venue. So we are not on break. The action is still on because we believe that we must get ready in times that we are called upon to for any special assignment.
Okay, and still a series of friendly matches will be assigned to players to play periodically. I could say Abia Bibi Baba Makwama, Modern Money competitive game bimu.
Yes, Wale, Yababo Wednesday say, Yanili Bechibuya, and I make us say, over the weekend, Yami Adumane dreams in Super Bowl. But if free honor nothing positive comes out of the organization committee. That's a technical people, director of football, almost not on in times of his training strategy and all of that. Then he can decide that look, the boys might need some rest or otherwise. But until that, it is still training, and the matches that will continue to play because we must let our people feel our team and make sure that at the time that you ever get it back to the Accra Sports Stadium, everybody will get to know that team. So it will be important to get back there and watch the team.
Okay. Last time I know Kasao, Efiano, now which is a mobile full up with technical team with some 2 other men. Bakobe assistant Bakonso, a team physiotherapist or Besha Boman Etiankwe. How are they moving on with the club?
Well, they are all working well. They all fit in very well, and obviously say how crowded are that. It's a good family that they have joined, and we are happy to have them. We are hoping that most of the Barbican team, it will bring the positive aspect of it as we continue to develop our team.
Okay. Now me say they say academic qualification e dey aba. Na no be say so mu CV e dey ade. When timi anchemo ye say nyame adoma na efu akakra bi ntem no de beba. Na me hwe eye Michel Francois Platini, football administrator, former French footballer and a manager, or a 3-time winner of Ballon d'Or. And now so Kwani Cheres and the Mexicosa is regarded as one of the best footballers of all time. The French player and also leading a country to a World Cup semi-finals. And now so he was the top goal scorer and the best player in 1984 European Championship with Dima Kwatenepa, French national team or Chene Bobrepa, but Unkita Masters Bia or a master of just free kick. I would give me dia Ugusu Edimu. Meaning Sango for Amodio Bay, also Mabakosem at the same.
Wale, I'm trying to say they are master of their work. If they are not competent, we will not bring them. You understand? They are master of the field that they work in. If they are not competent, we will not bring them. And we have trust that they will be able to do it to help our team. That is why we brought them.
Okay. More other vacant tanker positions still are more yet to fill.
Well, that is something for the director of football to decide on.
Okay, it's nice to be but still I know Munyan Famai.
Yeah, that is something for the director of football to decide on.
Okay, there's a vacancy or
well, if the structure now or building, if there's vacancy that we have to fill, we will let everybody know. Maybe I build here, that is where we are, and that's what we want people to appreciate.
Okay.
We'll let people know about that.
Okay.
But the person you can say vacancy will not say vacancy anyway. Then that one also becomes issue for discussion. No, we should appreciate where we are now. Whenever there's the need that the director of football decides that something should be added, we'll let the public know about it.
Okay. What do I do? When you say be me pion kwa which remove as a folk can you be a more video analyst video analyst no more be.
Well, Wale Bibia, stage after stage, it is part of something that we have been thinking about so well, and I can tell you that I did that. So when we finally get one, we'll let everybody know about it.
Okay. More ice bath, a quick mess, no so because I said we used to back me, no. I'm the place as I brought by me you should be. More use.
We use and as you use.
Okay. Because I be a use back me.
You see.
Okay, so what the number she told him twice back from Befa, but na koje is upon Casa Sabro, our place live so nim na don't go shot na se ba. Maso be shifa.
One day me no ni coach e ko shim near any fan on the was.
E dey kwa me me do ase no meja wasi ya me adoma mrepam no ye be san kasa biu.
Yo me me that.
Okay, enti kwa me prayer don so ana ne de ave title e dia man no. Enti enkomo no ana mara ne me commentary on it we editorial. Ofa pepa bia bo editorial no ene se ne ma AC echo eno ana me de aba no. Enti Michael.
Yeah, prof. Which one sem na say be from presidential requirements for president Nankasa to Ghana. Now the me focus me presentation on is Sonny Yakuba Insem and I said the problems on no. Now prof which Insema na no na ye ka say ye digital and I say your contribution to raise an amount of 3,000 cedis say you go Sonny Yakuba ni treatment and I say visa and I say you go seek for revelations concerning the poor performance in Confederation Cup. Now, Prof, mami catch you emphatically, and I say, mami, representation from a psychological point of view concerning Sonny Yakuba. The problems are on your Okotoko. Now, and I say some time ago, me catch you say in football, you will be afraid of competitive anxiety, and I say competitive stress, and I say competitive arousal. Sonny Yakuba, the problem, no. Say or do competition and I say do CAF Confederation Cup. The problem back on face competitive arousal and I say competitive stress. Now me catch you say competitive stress and I say arousal stress be a place in when they are playing competitions. Profit stress be a place in when they are playing competition. Now Usho Sonny Yakuba say they be a CAF Confederation Cup. Now the stress are sorry because of the expectation spectators and as a fans ni aguruzu or strong crowd so who crowd are now we record it high in competitive anxiety crowd man is stress into performance are we expecting from Sonny Yakuba on today now but who so who friendly matches are who say expectations near low fans into automation goals but a back competitive game and I say a back Confederation Cup and the competitive anxiety and I say stress sorry now say a player be and I say every player who is high on competitive anxiety and stress. So crowd the performance bottom is because so a strong crowd now the confidence as a player ever from now confidence as a player performer we try to say on the day you won't deliver because ball it is junior ball. Send the day we go into hiring coaches and I say the time we take into hiring coaches any physiotherapists for the way we see them as they are and I said the way your home say we are very important in technical aspect of our game. Sana psychologists are very important. If a coach is responsible for technical directions of the team, now physiotherapy is responsible for the physiological aspect of the team. Sape Pepe and psychologist is also responsible for the psychological and I said the mental state of a player. Sonny Yakuba because of crowd now they be our own stadium now and man the stress into now dream and that fine man into who are responsible for treating mental problems a psychologist and unfortunately Kotoko for psychologist but you are too quiet your observations Kotoko since omunya a sports psychologist and I say a psychologist do your observations so mu call Africa omu fan call a supporters leader crowd now sit in a plane. Once they leave a psychologist at home, Prof. Now football, say if you don't have a clean mind and I say you don't have a sound mind, you can never play. Sebi, erection. If you want to erect, your mind must be at peace before you can erect. Say at peace before you can even erect. How much more play football? Sorry, Yakuba. Yeah, exposing you to pressure for 6 matches. Psychologist, yo. Say or part time fine but on your part time na a full timer then about 4 players abroad who's a Frederick Batting obinim striker no the problem now was better but they couldn't do anything for this boy and then only Kotoko Sonny Yakuba the problem competitive anxiety and that's a competitive arousal so about in the Confederation Cup so who crowd now Oslo into Oslo crowd because of the pressure crowd ni mano into sana na the confidence and I say the man who bought as a player no na wa ononkasa onye doubt in the capabilities and I said the abilities of a player. Now we're not doubting on any abilities into the confidence shatter. Now say shatter sana na say it's experience what we call a social inhibition. Social inhibition just say so who a player who suffer in confidence, who slow crowd your ability as a player when you see crowd drops automatically into who crowd ubo nyana sesa ubo say obi a onim bobo into because of the competitive stress onyano into who crowd na adeni na social inhibition so crowd ma the talent and I say the abilities as a player ekashen is because of crowd onto me but now the opposite of social inhibition social facilitation. The opposite of social inhibition the opposite facilitation.
Social facilitation. And no social facilitation. No. But I say I bet you say player be a play to the gallery na.
Sir, and I say who play to the gallery. You can say that. But who say Don Bote, Charles Taylor, Sanya J, the time when they were playing at their peak. So who crowd now that is when they show you say ball no your so they show you on the pitch. Early 2000s, who Don Bote or Bapaka with handkerchief. First of all, made nice stand. Obejini first wall, now about plus stand. Obejini first wall is the same thing for Samia J when it comes out of the tunnel or the next neighbor. Obejini first wall. Obeso yet chum say minimbo. Into at that time, ni social and I say ni competitive stress. Our low. Obi the competitive stress you go lower. A show say on slow crowd. Into a whole crowd now. That is when Obeso show say me abilities and I'm the capabilities of a player. Make sure we park so 7 him yet. Charles Taylor 2009 now the career cry back end at the CHAN tournament or try be say or no as a player on him she free kicks with the likes of Osebo Sumu then of Accra Suffolk or defender Accra Suffolk he was also part of that team. Charles Taylor at that age 31 years say Nico CHAN 2009 the first edition or try amount for say me as a player I'm in him until at that age and I say at that tournament the competitive stress and I say arousal low until spectators are back stadium and I say first number stadium no or try me say I'm not a player I'm so crowd into Jinemo or boy at that age into Sonny Yakuba the main problem competitive anxiety. Now competitive anxiety is very deep rooted in sports psychologist and I say in sports psychology into sports psychology so I'll show you where these are the problems and I say the diagnosis of Sonny Yakuba say or who crowd are not slow which I will say is very high in competitive arousal. That's a competitive stress. Into solutions well, and yes, solutions no solutions well. The sports psychologist must put this thing in place. Sonny Yakuba will get the best of him. And yes, I have another Frederick Boateng. Now, problem no solution. No. Now, say say a player is high on competitive anxiety and has a competitive stress. So who crowd out to me, but now the capabilities and I say the abilities of a player. No say I show doubt or sign him now to me but who crowd the treatment and I say solutions and I say the therapeutic process as a sports psychologist how do my player no remember 3 1 your friend baby cognitive behavioral techniques nyama na emma stress no and I say who player support the same stress support the now more charge also no in the therapeutic process no the sports psychologist will call some stimulation process muna ya create baby baby emma stress no in the sports emma stress they create fake supporters now who player no you see them not as your enemy but as your friends so in that mentality I just say we for 2-3 years so you do it for some time so when you see the players as not being your enemies but your friend in the therapeutic process who in the reality when you see the supporters you see them as people who are against you but people who support you so own sawa adwuma in behavior now when you put it into behavior now a bow into the friend cognitive behavioral technique another technique the boy players am so crowd mental rehearsal as a player before the game and I say even when you're training and I say in preparation of a game they be say well mentally what do you now who you rehearsal what you are going to do on the pitch and I say near my person you on the pitch when you rehearse it mentally you see that on the day you start performing and yet you be the best player you do your practice do a mental rehearsal of yourself do it well you go on the pitch and you perform that is the second therapeutic process the boy players are almost so crowd the third one is visualization the uda as a player who nyama and a boy be say me share hat trick be say me say so you are seeing yourself who making rounds putting up good positions, who receiving balls in better positions, who play with your best, and I say your best foot. It's who you sign Yamana a ball in the game, and yeah, this is analysis from a psychological point of view. WISC ball, technical, spiritual, and psychological. We focus on these two and we leave psychology out. What is the reason? I abandon sports science, and always we are focusing on spirituality. Sports science can help us. Prof, Jama, an hour to the game, not play session Jama. Is it even important? Jama is good for team building, and I say good for spirit in the team. But an hour to the game, players that see from Mobas, Mona, Jama, instead of focusing on the game, focusing on team talk, focusing on tactics, our coach at home, then they waste their energy in doing Jama an hour to the game. You can do Jama at your training. Watch my Jama whilst you are in a hotel. But before the game, you need to focus. But that time no more now the Jama. It's a prof. We share diagnosis. Sonny Yakuba. The diagnosis and the problems from a psychological point of view. And also my providing solution. Now going to the Nkana game, each ticket will be very courageous. On double Sonny Yakuba. Now, and yes, is dropping him for not doing but is protecting the player, and I say or shielding the player from the attack, and I say from the expectation. First, any player.
If CK will do what?
So when you courage,
when you answer, what is the other alternative? Because
any problem.
Okay.
So when you courage, on dropping the player, on dropping Sonny Yakuba.
As my county,
yes. So it's an advice, and I say a suggestion. So if you be courageous, on dropping Sonny Yakuba. Now. Prof, the reason why teams they want 4 strikers or 3 strikers. It's for the reason say striker be the performance and will give the chance to the other players almost one striking department. And said for the past 6 games, exposing Sonny Yakuba to the pressure from spectators, to the pressure from fans. I think it's high time. Sika Kono about drop Sonny Yakuba. Now I protect the player. Where the player I got to go drought. Fans will ask questions, and it's the ability of the coach. So, show the management side of a player. So, dropping now what showing from all the attacks are ever from the fans. Now, we understand drop him at home, not take him to Nkana. Drop him and give, and I say, trust your secondary strikers. Say, Steven Yankumuni, Tabo's a guy. Get them, put your trust in them. Say, Sonny Yakuba pressure the doors one so it's because of this pressure the performance prepare every Sonny Yakuba he can't give me so Sonny Yakuba me drop you in Canada crab won't come so you stay home you and the sports psychologist to come so if you stay so you will be of use so if you say so until only Sonny Yakuba on your intensive therapeutic process for Sonny Yakuba now the mental process on bringing it up. Now mentality no go slow. Once he's doing that, another technical man with Sonny Yakuba. Now I'm working on the finishing, the composure in the 18-yard board. Into Oya Sanyama once Kotoko airborne car no tifie. Into Sika Kono on drop Sonny Yakuba. So Oya Guardia on dropping. Now Oya Sana no trust in the secondary strikers test Steven Yanku Muni. Tabo's a guy, you should put the trust in them, the confidence in them to go and play. Once you protect your key player, because one year this will get another Frederick Barton who suffered a mental problem. Kotoko phone to me protect this player. My today it's not in Kotoko now. Okay. So if you don't take care with Sonny Yakuba, that's our problem now. We have a repeat of Frederick Barton. Sonny Yakuba, eventually the talent in Nako, just like that. Okay. See, this is what Kotoko should do. They should drop Sonny Yakuba, work on him at home, psychologically and technically, whilst they play in Nkana.
Okay. What can I say? Me sure say facilities are okay, any expertise are okay now. Barcelona, ne say 10 times cry. Still no Kevin Presboatin so even on the bench cry now face pressure saying Sonny Yakuba cry. And they onu sunya match onu so boy yes hu onu so ne de no ye be ne de because a man for say Ghana here no say we here Ghana.
Now prof, let me tell you something about KP Wati. Who's the KP Wati now Sassuolo no. Yanti obi anka say o ka say Yanfani Black Stars. Obo ni Sassuolo e wo din anase obo etwa Sassuolo din Mokonue until say about Barcelona. Now the Barcelona move no is just as a backup. Say Suarez, you be say protect Suarez and you be say rest Suarez. Na KP Boateng mebo And now we should game now, boy. Chelsea capability is yet to adapt to the style of Barcelona. Barcelona, you bought a target man striker. You bought a focal point. It's who as a striker, who Jena box then him now who try say Messi and for ball in Bravo. No, you have to go and come back from another Ube feel box them now what drop it back to come and be part of the build up. One thing I like what KP bought in the performance. Boy, weekend boy no. Now they be not Jena box then expecting say we work ball na manu. But Barcelona you boss the boy as a striker you have to be part of it. Now, my reasons, technical reasons, 4 technical reasons. KP Boati so Bagana boy. But me Oba and on boy I'll leave it to the listeners. But me mouth 4 technical reasons. Who say Oba and I say call Barcelona no. Plenty and I say journalists be brave, coaches be brave. People are even going ahead say KP Boati young bunny behind Asamajan as number 10. Obi cry can say you're born as number 10. Now about Achu was 7. Now about the day you 11. Then you have Achu and I say you have Wakasu as number 6. Now I am 4 technical reasons why I kept him what is so bagana.
What the 4 technical reasons in the I mean enkwa man so na ye ne former referee Salas Okan enhwetwe nkomo Salas ye mwajo.
Bijusu.
Bibia eboko de.
You are don't bibia boko.
Oh, okay. When is it ya che post na mo nya de referees mu.
Mbacho brebium.
Say ya che post na mo nya de referees mu ana.
Debut.
Okay. I'm say when ya position be a new committee.
Oh, the football administration to prepare a referee.
Okay. Na me hwe say qualification ben ana obi betimi de referee mu.
Okay, we did me here for Muti, one of the best radio stations in the country, Asempa and Ajuri. The woman say, yeah, about refereeing. The criteria now modify referees about as a potential referee. You should have at least the secondary school certificate. Secondary school certificate. Yeah, that was what Omukaye. But okay, so far that is what no. That's the basis. The secondary school certificate. That is, you should be able to pass at least your English and then the maths, those kind of things. But until recently, you know, right by then, and I thought say, ABI, I'm paying for now. Omodikainu move the foresight be say if ukita that basis at a point in time you can go to the training college, you can go to the university, you can go to the nursing training and those kind of things, and at the end of the day ukita profession be ansana uye referee. I quite remembered what training college we the refereeing association called training college, and I started the Adan Training College Referees Association. That time I'm a referee dada. So far the qualification is the secondary school certificate.
Okay. Enti o kita secondary school certificate o di referees mu no na eno no de beje be sesen because minim say ukoma FIFA designated referees in different categories na according to experience and afi omo career progression obama top referees like Felix Bright from Germany, Oko Kunet from Turkey, Nesto Pitana from Argentina. Ominano na World Cup against Kensia Nebetia Basso Russia no 57,000 euros any sikani dia to their mom. Ukom Hesna Nyama ACL kwa referee biano will further take about 2,500 euros for each match. Ewa Kensia na and also 18 Santo Femno. And they more this qualification here by aside the sika account 18 Sabana.
It is just the beginning of it. It is just the Udi certificate, but with the part of the world that I want. It took me to say I was an assist form when I'm a referee. Me taking up the referee career. That was at Accra Academy. I took up the referee career.
And at that level, no, you will not even handle a premier match. You will not even handle a Division 1 match. Oh, it takes time. It took me almost 9 years before I got to the premier level. Oh, and we cannot compare any Omudien. Until recently, because of we want the younger ones who be more no one experience around 25 years, then they start calling you for FIFA. Who 25 years, yeah, maybe more school, unlike Germany and Yamanu. Maybe more school, and such a person who on to me, but because of that, yes, you then let the little ones, the younger ones come in. Especially Mumba, person mundi referee, papa reverend. Then at the JHS level, I almost say no money on Wabe and Yamana at least now Omunya that exposure. At the time, Ombanya 25 years, 21 years, and Yamana say now he's matured now. Obeko that if Mitiwa question as a year, that is how.
Okay. When I'm a say, who call for higher education, why already to say, Obetien said to ya to that level because corruption, I can't say Minano, a secret to ya, or call other part of the world now. Sika wants some Emma refuse no or slopa, or by Hano, Sikasam and can ye, my reference to Fuma, nay, say Western Mexico, so another kind of wa, yet a bit money. So there's no justification to kill a hungry man when you don't provide him food.
Yes, but say this is part of Ghana. The referee knew acquired to say Obi. Acquired to say Obi. What you are saying is 100% true. If you are paying the referees well, to say Europe, if you are paying the referees well, I don't think say somebody would like to say Obekwakoji transport. That will be all. I can boldly tell you at times, you even get a match at that moment. You will not have money on you. You have to go and borrow money. It will be all and sign out their match. And you just imagine, say, Uko match now BCO, the way for your transport. Oh, Mema way, maybe Mema way. But say now I'm doing oh, at the end of the day, many baby, let me call to Amikano. But if we are paying the referees well, I don't think any referee will heed to any club official. Precious or the bread. Oh, but like I'm saying, yeah, it is a hobby. But at least they should be paid well. Yeah, FIFA referees, they will tell you when they go out there, they pay them. Yamudi match now Musaka at least a week. Musaka Muskano. I retired from the association about refereeing about 4 years, 5 years now. It will marvel you say, as we speak, Miska Ewum, INTI. So what do you expect me to do? Say become matcher. So if normalization, you are looking for higher qualification, and let me tell you something. There were referee were Ivory Coast. Morris, he's a medical doctor. Oh, so if one those professionals, at least we are going to minimize that corruption in the game. And see, if they are calling for higher certificate, yes, it should go with higher remuneration.
Okay. Because I'm a career requirements, degree level, high school diploma or equivalent sports specified refereeing training is often required and referee or elsewhere. But Okomu has an Asia cost on salary no best 33,990. That was in 2015 average salary for all empires. Mujumedia now Omoeguso Dimu. Inti ya hwɛ nim sɛ qualification betia sa koso no ɛhwɛ nim sɛ SK betia sa som bo sɛ be a referees no enye kataso mumaso ɛwɔ mo hyehyɛ ahodo a omugusu edimu ana because ma sɛ hu ba bi nso sɛ ukɔ Premier League referee salary from 2016 2017 so far as I know no na a basic yearly retainer fee ɛno yɛ dependent on our experience awo and agina so ɛde atua ɔka ɛno so wɛm ne sɛ nɛma AC ɛkɔ a na sɛ as scan ɛwɔ so kakra match fee no per game no 1,150 pounds and I'll bet you Sanjay. Average in yearly income no 70,000 pounds and I'll bet you Sanjay. Assistant referee salary and also crown or 10 full-time pro. Nese Ohima Nenso J best 600 pounds per match plus retainers fee. Abesandi account over championship referees are also just 600 pound per match. Omujumedia Mutim Nese referee no sen can be referee and I'm a tiabuche and I'm more Premier League nima. You can see Kabri born crack you may be a crack majai. I may concentrate fully on full-time referee. But I heard it. What you best saying?
Uzi, I best saying.
Aye.
As at the time now, I was dropping. At the moment, minimum said, Omuji around 600, including their transport, their hotel, their feeding, and your transport in from the town, from your house to the station, and then let's say I'm going to Doma, so my transport from where I'm staying to VIP to Doma, and then your inner transport back, including your hotel and then your feeding. Around 600 Ghana.
Nina 600 no.
That is it.
Ebin count, ebin enter so efim.
The count 600.
And also prompt payment, and
but you see,
prompt payment.
And then I make a choice. Say, I stopped refereeing about 4 years ago. The American Miska Edasuo, I ain't Chiakai.
Jesus Christ.
Yes, Chiakai.
But yet, you expect much from more and I'm
yes, meanwhile, much is expected from us. They said the referees should be angels. I'll give you a typical example of mine. We call match. We call match. The RTU medium. A bottle. Two bottle I was stands. Bomb it. Me there see you. I had to go to hospital. They gave me first aid. I had to go to hospital. Me call hospital. Not me, my miss we are no hospital. Meanwhile, it was my mother who was paying for my medical bill. Up to now, that money never came. That money never came. And my mother who was sick was in the hospital. She was paying for my medicals. So when things are like this, what do you expect the referees to do? Wallace.
Normalization committee omo BBS can some kopemum so
honestly speaking some person game enko year say drive from you make appointment, you give them part of their money, they should go. When they come, they finish, they bring their report. Within a week, they should have their money. And say omo increases the allowances of the referee. And then uko temali Picona Hotel say okra and say most of the hotels that you walk Kumasi say uko temali hotel 150 Ghana, and you are expected to stay in that town at least 2 days. So even if you try 600 now 2 days 300, you feed him by. And all these things will mount pressure on the referee. Or corner the home team, what do you expect him to?
And they say better say in normalizing committee or research paper be and kamo referees are more active, retired referees in and kamo na see from directly. Na money omudins house so na mo the major problems rather than calling the leadership of referees na na me boa.
The referees of the leadership of the referees omu to me yeshwi. Because someone can some position say oh. And when it happens that way, omu to me and fight the FA. Omu to me can't tell what it is supposed to be. But I expect say for now normalization will do a better thing. Because if yes, we are normalizing our game. Yeah, the nyama 2 years. Nyama they have to look at it. At least, me my dream car. If you don't give a referee per match, can you 1,500?
1,500 le be so kakra fine.
At least from the beginning, not 1,500.
Okay, amount 1,500 no credit betia ba.
Look at the transport, look at the hotel, look at the feeding, and those kind of things.
1,500 ba dia as a mu betia du no kakra.
Oh, any year, Wallace, the be can say, a bimu wo we are moving car, but at least, say no musi or mu person musha see the diplomas, your integrity is also at stake. Who ye jumapa be now ye beti say bia Wallace akodiska wa ha na e da radio su na wo office betia who say who integrity ni one share na wo juma bi papa people abo who say na me can it who mom year oh at the end of the day ye try me say why should I go in for club chairman be obema me 500,000 meaning say I do a good job among for be bomb pasu I bet you me kai and e be ban tem su and yes I bet 1 year any 2 years na em buy you and now the whole of the first round na em buy you. At least every other week you have to be receiving your allowances. And you say na who come match obon say club official bia and to me influence you.
Okay. Club officials na ya mo na mo from na mo na frem.
Oh, I've never seen a referee calling a club official.
Oh, say na for tie bia obedu ko fodu na me wa o so Wallace me wa ana onye bi da.
Me ye bi da.
Eza unfa na for game nim.
Na me wa dan for bi wo game mu. Onu anka so beka che o si Salas unya wu ni papa. U ba me kroma, unfre mi enka nche mi so uba. But let me tell you, before even appointment, immediately appointments are done. Omu nim the oba.
Okay, it's yes, I know my friend Montem.
Oh yes, this is say Obeka say, oh, I'm giving you a place to sleep, and there is, it is there. But I have never seen a referee picking a phone. And I mean, see this suda. Say referee be a phone say, oh, Wallace, and then I mean about match. It's not normal.
Okay, what is wrong with giving you a place to sleep?
Oh no, Wallace, me per se, in our Ghanaian culture, me bow fear, umami granidi, anami wa, umami su, umami bibida, me who say boni. But when it happens that way, then don't say not club no expect so much from you. Okay.
Okay, and na omutimi inside fans no so ma omutimi chimo hwem kakra.
That is it.
Enti e pay referee sa eje bra ba ehwe referee sa ta hwem no ho.
Oh, enye per se. Enye say e bu referee bi enti no akoji bribe. Most of it are not. Ebi musu krapo is very strict. Very strict. I would not like to mention a match and the teams involved. But you call venue be, and at the 11th hour, then they say the board and then the CEO say yembe fire embra, and we stood on our ground say yenko. Because one corner, say what could you the away team know?
Okay.
So what do you think will happen? And after the match, now away team Abeshana, what do you think will happen to you?
Okay.
Say bra. One call. Even before then, hotel nukrapo or muma okrapo, one koda. Mwangasa mwakoda mu hotel. Mu ba krom no obi an hu mu. Omu mu oprimant. E kire say so what mazi. So the system say my clubs mbeti as say wankasa ubanu yama uskasi wankasa ukwakoda hotel wankasa ukwo. I don't think say that Obibeka said Brana Bedami ho. And look how it is more expense on the clubs. Clubs look up on scan and running football. Then they are catering for the referees too.
Well, Makai refinyante Elkofodi, I mean, so him na no Chadio is Chadio Islamic school be very strong and hard referee. Na match bako. I'm saying middle league game bako na refinyante na center referee. Na I'm say referee bako akan chinegu referee Dazi. Any other referees no musu match him. Na say agents bi akohu club no bako manager. Money na can scan so referee the omo nkofo a enti emsanyante di match na nko in favor of the team no and am supporters ne style some to bo ne ade a faisi kama ekoya say nyante nye hwe but agent bi na abaji scan so be bra nyante am say onye hwe ana je say esi wo hu
the team bi wo western region mi mboni din there wo inside on pa and uko match na division 1 uko match na akwabi otani referee dey be 90 pa ye be shege game na tia na abegina park nisu na wa facing the supporters na wa man isasu na wa wavy crowd no let say we wie bibia yeah go match no your other colleagues no amaye information about that guy obaye nche na epamunu but he was not heeding to. You call park nisu before the start of the game. Now I beg you, now I'm man in Sasu. While waving in Crawford, on wave your mobile say, hey, not fans no Eddie Manu. At the end of the game, yes, you are.
Until we've been in such a fans no park no science or on the referee every bibia. Until referee when near man come on, and there's a fans in him say, Waji. So be an hour.
No, GP.
Referees in Sumubreu.
It is the hazard of the game.
Oh, okay. It now agents be annoyed you man.
Agents. Me say our agents, our referee.
Oh, this agents here ban we won in such fans so I saw to referee out.
Oh, they be well Sanya money there. Sanya money there. I don't think say any referee would like to involve ni was anyamani mu.
Okay. Na me adoma e besa to ankomo so nkomo ede na afia hwese na ma besi akwani ape referees puma sibre na afia mankofo so ofia omdi agudi na chi no won so anya a fair perception about referees mu dwumadi a mu edidi abo amaga na agudi so atwen 2 point referee Sellers Okan me da se nwumre yi.
Nizumi da se mi da se pa na ejuma odie ma Ghana football. A bomb by say normalization by any game na kodi am.
Okay, Mr. Medasepa. Okay, it's a referee Sellers Okan, a retired referee, and as a former referee, and I attend a Cassia Netron Comono, now or churches and Yama ACA co, or referees Jumedia Egus 80. And briefly, now Okan Kelvin Prince Boating and say Niama Besem and 94.
Yes,
Mamma Kinkain. Messages kakra na fi fa no to aso you say na ma ACL ko ha obi say wale this your man pa I don't ever understand him cry because what he's saying I don't think he's following the team. Tell him to stop saying that from apungu tema and also the way etimi eba e wa hanom Yakuba will be okay with time. We should not put pressure on the guy to perform. Anthony Yeboah was called dead horse by Kwamina Yeboah when he was not scoring at Okwo. Sarah Mensah, Anna Nikobu, Francis Kumi, Henry Aqua all face the same problem after changing teams. Time will tell. We think can car from the United States of America. And I can say one out of the 1,000 supporters no na bia ebeti we as say time will tell. Pressure there supporters will always come with pressure. Dwumedia ugusudimu. Prof, your man serious drop the criteria of goal. And then Asama Ubiso Eddie Abba say what drop criteria of goal. I say, Michael, who told you that Yakuba is afraid of fans? It's not. All your analysis is in favor of us. Why? And then Asama Ubiso Eddie Abba. Banana say if Kotoko had an arrow head and he is played in the hole, Yakubu can score more goals because he can dribble, move from behind and shoot. Banana. And at this time, so Etimi Abba, Ricky Kofi Ajmai, Belgium. Also, good evening, Wale. I'm going to watch Manchester United 1 Chelsea 0. Fantastic program 2-0 now. And then Koma, and also Eddie Abba, Ricky. Fantastic evening. And Koma between Kache. As well as tell the guys watching football, their nose is coming out. And then he has some so Eddie Abba. I say, hi, Prof. Listening to Okan, how can Yakuba be afraid of crowd? Please stop that. And Pasolo from the Uekwapem and also anyway 18 by George answered about say Prof, you have said it keep the good work. George Mafu and all this and so by. Good evening, Sir Wallace. Thank you for the insight. You guys are doing a great job. If the head of the whole country of about 28 million, you need no PhD, but head football of your need a PhD. Illogical and highly unacceptable. This will not help in any way. Football is and will always be for the mole guys. Let's leave them to do their football instead of trying to drag them out from Danivan, Kwame Chepsa inside Tema and Danivan, and so do we Abba. As well as greed and corruption becomes the norm. This is what will happen to our football because the so-called football people has over the years spoiled our game. Moses Kwayoba, Gomwa, Abon Krum, and also anyway Abba Moses. When you're ready, so do Sikabeche football in T and Canada. Prof, good evening. I'm Rashid Aloya Spenters. All this qualification NC is asking for will not hold our ground. They would need qualification. Referred coaches and the technical guys, and then Asempa and also Eddie Abba. We say thanks, Wallace. You are so great. You are in your element this evening. Thank you very much for the academic analysis you have done. I was say academic qualification was suggestion made by one of the ad hoc committee, not normalization committee, Charles Gabriel, inside and Suman. Charles, in Kamati, into Nations presenter, I think Kofi Amwa and his team are totally bankrupt. They don't even know what they are doing. Useless committee, Enoch from McCarthy Hill. Oh, and you useless, we useless, and we are useful at the moment families. Wale, please, did you champ Rollins in the presidential education records? I'm Nana Temple from Ashram Estate, and also anyway at me Asaba Achimota into Yanawaka Rollins Achimota. I say a few researchers a few pay and Omako school pay, yeah, Omuna, Onako school. Good evening, Wale. How are you doing? Today I miss you. I'm busy. That's why you didn't hear from me. Where you feel. Okay. I'll say very soon. I'm listening to you live inside Mega Light Electrical Shop, opposite St. Teresa's Inn. Not K, St. Teresa's. Okay. Madam for Eric, electrician, and also Eddie Weaba. Hey, Eric, the connection be amfa. It's here, yes, and the AC echo. Good evening, please. Wale, Kutu a champion went to Fantapim School. I beg you, he is my hero. Davis, and also the way it's me Abba. Briefly,
Sir Prof, yeah, let me care about say after KP Boatin, every Sasolo, Echo Bassano, the calling and say Embra Blackstar. Now, coaches, journalists acquire journalists acco ahead. I can say KP Bar, young Bono as number 10. And I mean, say, memorable reasons why a Fred KPI. MY team no na ana say or born number 10 cry in a team na MY. Now the last time your ball KP any Asamajan as a top pair and I say the top strikers ever Ghana team was far back in 2014 Ghana versus Germany. That Kwesi Appiah ball KP Boateng Asamajan for solid 15 minutes. One shot on target for Mutubian Kreti and Usha 2014 now Omu ages they are in their peak. Asamajan was somewhere 27. KP Boateng at that age will be somewhere 26. At that time they couldn't play together as a partnership until German, and I said German for Eshaye on the 50th minute. Mario goes to Eshaye 50th minute. Kwesi Appiah then make it change or you keep it from now the Jordan Bem or the Jordan Bem na 53rd minute and I said 3 minutes after goal no na Ghana team yakano where shall say keep it na Samaja as a partnership in fact now we should keep it na Samaja omu injury records as players we proud the injury records there be into going to play these two players Asamaja as number 9 KP Boateng as number 10 in African Cup of Nations. We are going to see one of the slowest and I said the slow striking partnership because at Asamaja in this tournament to be somewhere 33 KP Boateng will be somewhere 32. Now the combined age of these two players it will be somewhere 65 years. Ombe slow sharp in attack into when you play KP Boateng as a number 10 and Asamaja because of injury record any age into one of the sharp attackers in your tournament into playing KP Boateng as a number 10 Asamaja as a number 9 and Boye and one technical reason. 2 Coach Kwesiapia will favor Thomas Partey as a number 10 ahead of KP Boateng because anytime Kwesiapia will play Partey as a number 8 and as a weapon as a two center midfield, Ghana team always struggles. Into Ushwek Kwesiapia, on time ball Partey as a number 8 or born as a number 10. Now Partey the record at Wayama Ghana and I say the achievement to the Ghana Black Stars. And I say born as a number 10. I'll share hat trick against Congo. I'll ball behind Wachiyadom. Into if you play Partey as a number 8, we will struggle because Partey the ball assistant is not a defensive type of player and I say it's not the defensive type of midfielder or dirty work for the team. You do that. We show the ball assistant. It's more of passing. Into when you play him as a number 8, pair with the number 6, you will suffer. So that is why Coach Kwesiapia ball Partey properly as a number 10 and not a number 8. Where 2, 3. If you have Asamaja as a number 9, you have KP Boateng as a number 10. The day are you as a number 11, Achu as a number 7, and one room only for Wakasu as a number 6. We will have one of unbalanced team in this tournament. And I say our tournament I record because what is the balance between the attack and defense? Because the team is full of attacking players. Into when we don't have the ball, one the best side defensive work and one the very dirty work in the midfield of the park. We are leaving it all for Wakasu. Ushe Achua or attacking player. The day are you attacking player. Kemi attacking player. Asamaja attacking player. Into Lusubona. Who will do the dirty work? You leave it all for Wakasu. And Wakasu is one player who is prone to cards. On your card will be. If you leave the dirty work for him, yellow card, not red card, or tanya card, then what happens to the team? We'll get one of the unbalanced team. If KP Boateng did, we play him at number 10. Now, the day are you, the team has struggle with relegation. Uko Tekia, I'm not for sure, but it's not having the best of seasons. Fenerbahce. Yes, and you go. And make work up into coming and I say African Cup. It will come into the African Cup or back with post-season fatigue. Who's after season when you are fighting for relegation, you put in all your energy. You do awarding now the until after the season, you there will be fatigue in your body, and after the season, it's come to play for a Chan and I say African Cup. I percentage into a player who is coming with such tiredness that the performance we expected from the day you on standing dedication or show in Ghana teams because of the fight for relegation. Say Fenerbahce were escaping relegation. What you expect from the day you on Nyemao. So when you have these 4 attacking players with 1 defensive midfielder, that two working average now Wakasu. No Wakasu is prone to cards. You get card then you shot us 1. Into where 3 technical reasons why if you play Kevin Boateng as a number 10, and why that? Where you 3? Now 4. In tournament, you play your best players in the best position. So when you tournament, you play your best players in their best position. Kevin Boateng as a player or your number 9. From the days with Portbov or boy as a number 9 until say 2010 World Cup, you improvising Emmanuel ball midfield. After midfield, or call AC Milan. General for a turn, I'm alone to AC Milan. Or ball as a striker behind Zlatan Ibrahimovic, the El Shaarawy. From AC Milan, or call Shaka or ball as a number 9. From Shaka or back to loan, AC Milan or ball as a number 9. From there, or call Las Palmas and the Kiko Setien coach or ball as a number 9. Or call Eintracht Frankfurt or ball as a number 9. Or call Sassuolo or ball as a number 9. Into for tournament and yet tournament you change a player's position and on the roll from a number 9 to a number 10 and you expect several results. Oh Mauda. So when you tournament, you play your best player as the best position. Best players must be playing their best position. In Semikasa, Kevin Priswati, so Bagana, or as a number 9, you compete with Asamajan for the number 9 position. Now obi anim say coach Kwesi Apia on drop Asamajan da. Into say on drop Asamajan na obebo Asamajan number 9 and drop KP Boateng to the bench. A player with ego coming from Barcelona after this season going to the African Cup. You'll be coming from Barcelona to Ghana. Into you must have player at the bench. About no.
Okay, into 4 things. Emma. KP Boateng 8 minutes. 4 technical reasons why KP 4 technical and tactical reasons why KP Boateng cannot join the Blasters for AFCON 2019.
Yes.
And now they are banned. I mean, I don't know. 20 reasons why KP should be able to join the team. Why KP should be able to join the team. Number 4, two different views. I made the 20 reasons. I have the 4 pen number. And I just compare best 16 years back out 4 no. 20 reasons. And I see a proper last
Maminka Friday in Mikasa Kotoko Omrem Yakuba May no Jumamo. Na ene masunda pebia fasande kotoko. Na omobobo. Na me ko sem ko hebo ni mi duro no. De amtie nso bi ka chem se Yakuba shego. Kotoko she 2 goals Yakuba she ba ko. Na player am tin ni Maxwell ba ko. Si on so she ba ko. Na
na so sada no
na wie ya
didi na so sada no
o me da so de ya na nya didi bi na
didi na udi e men ka sa udi bi ansa na so da na udi ansa
na mi didi
na udi e na wa komchiri
yes
na no didi ba na wan didi heavy
na mi didi
okay nti so da na wie na be didi
ane
okay
na tie wale player no nya say bia usuru crowd na bibio because he plays against heart folk and he ewiase koto continue Africa yombo match biano ya was wrestling so obo has obo yire no boy even on last game ya mikram he is the man of the match so kasa obo end pa and then the Jesus crowd idea no Frederick Boateng ne we dey no difference mo Frederick Boateng you see a man ball kra ni thesis for manu agbase but we no obo yire no obo go ni no ntimi she kra wa ya 6 man go for she go gozo ma she yin onu kwa asisi mu 4
but the 9 hwepo mu
ni 9 hwepo ni wo na boy
matches utimi ade that's how and this analysis ne ba friendly matches so be hwe no crowd ni so ano and onu aposo atena ba ne crowd no e wo no unhu no and the first utimi fa African Cup campaign compare matches na e bo a ipa 3-2 be gina stance ni
na me patch say
crowd ni different this time kotoko enya huge support nti ugina okra ebo hu we commentator na stance mu a o hwese ne o ka no ngofo kra tia
na zo
ugina park no so obobo
but the other time I'm here omuni kotoko omuni has kumase no na supporters no na do so sin African campaign
da bi African campaign ni pa abasin ni na
but
football records are nya the African campaign akotoko obo no ana nya the highest FNC
tension ni so wo mu so e wo suro
tension wo e wo game we mu no so wo suro ni na aka wona di hu na ba no
na tie mami nchiro boy no so ba no be yare na nipa ohwe no ohwe one side one hwe the other side na no ko yinika oni kotoko 2 players omo ni kotoko sisi a na no ko yinika okoni krom ni nyina no ko hwe sa de no ba omo hwe the other side
ya de
yare no ko yare no enom ko hwe man no
yare be no
but omo hwe se bia yare yo odi bae no efiri na de ne man bae onu se football for nangasa no players nangasa bebrenyo 2 players boy mi to me ni anum ko se ne na de odi dware sapo 2 players fine se o shego ntu di ko soro sine sanete dia yen she bebra wase so shego a ne ka Africa campaign wa she be 4 goals ya
players bi o team man na abrenasi
okay but ko hwe no ko face spiritual doctor bi na spiritual doctor na ni anko sa de no
okay
o ja na man san bae o de opa hwe kotoko nya break kitu bi a Jesus sa boy san ko no group Jesus ko because adidinu so we be shego ma wudi na pagya de ye ma wu shego na oni nyina bepe
ko ni die pagya o
ani di na pagya ni ye boni di so nshego
di na pagya pa go na so ma di pagya
ye boni di se on shego e na ma pagya ni di na ye sa
o she pe pagya bo
Washa oh nka be so crisis so ya dey waje go sa sabi nko bi di $1 million bi aba no aye ba be penato it is any money nyina hwe na your player bi organa ya one coach at the party ni ba mani me say whole season nyina no na no ko yin ka o say players o mu dwani team from kasa o oh na me dey ma ba ndie me she goals ana boys na say na o be she goal dia na e be kan wato you say whole season nyina no coach Jimmy Kobla no coach no oh wow sir the whole season nyina o she one goal pe na coach ni di ba mani mi na me say bema o gina parka o wadwini mienu sa adwini mienu wa nya nto nchen o ntimi nkoso nko wanim se onyabo a ya na yen se fa bonkumbo fa nifambo na ye ne sa metwe na adwini ba fie okọ no koto aso hye ni goals nti yakoba wu sa de ni bi na ewe no na omu hwe se omu nyi sa de ni firi o ma abama na so nyu no se na so nyu na korokono no so betimi akora nim bi wo hye go a wo hye makotoko nti ade plan sa ade no nti omu hwe ho enu bia mfa nkohye bibia onu na no ne ko yinika onu na ni nyam ni nanu ene ko yi na sem so you do me na plus 2 e fire omu de yen sa nti nenu last week me ga say omu de omu pe na omu fa ne mreme just be 30 minutes pe men ho djuma mo san ade na ko na de opa hwe weekend o beti nka Yakubu omu games na ka no nkofo beti nka da mi so o mai but o beti nka
no so see enfane mro enfane mai be
mai but o beti nka
okay
o mai de but o beti nka
okay
ndo enye se bia
o beti nka weekend ya na afie ensante nka biwa na ase beti nka
o beti nka o be sore gina na so
si abo na ma na afie enso enje adom sem ne mpon
o kire yam ya adom anopa e o achimota forest yam ya adom ye gusu a ye bo ne mo pa anya sam ketwa nti obi a wo de office wadwuma sam kofo biska to nsam a na chef ruza bra na be hwe nyakopo tumi a o da di o achimota forest mi number na ye 055 339 2020 055 339 2020 anwale aya matina nkrofo bi ka kotofo hye bi o time na wo mbeko Africa na wo ma mu hye kotokonkom na sam TCC obi se wo hu sum bi adu
na enye wasem ka ba ka wo de
no mo ever
ja um life mom
no mo ever wale ebre ka se kotoko ko wo de anyam brega na no wo mo ever
me yen kan hye wo so nko ye yen hwe mom bedu kan
oh me de so gina ma bia mi je wale kotoko mo kota finance be mo
atem die bia person de mane wa no family order sense bia omde be jame no
before say mention me number say issue and I send me back when you call expert if the person is from a scientific background or be analyzing the issue from a scientific background, so a pastor is going to analyze the issue from a spiritual background. Say play anya ball na e say me family left in ball and I say me family right in ball adwin no na all the yes decision no in psychology your friend covert behavior. In psychology two types of behavior, your covert behavior and overt behavior. Covert behavior are behaviors which are not seen into thinking or be dwan thinking who
be kwa to me say me fan you say me nya die ni
but or two
ni me nyo
but that no to your fellow covert behavior but obi to nyom but to no louder and is observable say your fellow overt behavior yes into sub kotoko player no say or yeah say me family left in ball me family right in ball covert behavior
from one stars
yes but now we can say player yes that now let's comparison no the player got through that problem. It's mental problem, and psychologists are the experts to treat mental problems. Okay. My number is 020 422 56.
Okay, sample you.
020 422 56. The other line is 0243 74 85 09.
Okay.
0243 74 85 09.
Okay. Inti atem di bia na sabas body bia obi a betimi e dia Michael Okan on board number na Papa Maestro bia obi a fantastic evening and come Philip 2 AK47 the gunshot man writer Amenyo Imonta kwa meja kwa champion ana afi su mosquito and all the wonderful guys me hu Bernard Padibotwe omi na etechira boa ema ye the sports night medin abidu ye de besia na madam asemedin de Enoch Kwasi Walanyo Wallace agudi catch ba ko pe mentian kan message na fa che memre ene ko bibiribi nyame adom na besenya daje biwa meken kan mo kan ya ofia na ma reply o se reply na won se na hye ne ACL kwrade enye nyina kesefo Obama say Manchester United 2 78 minutes no into 2-0 na ana omugoso edikitem e hanom na me adoma ne aka wachire besa de aba mrepam na amafo ho sena ne ma esi comedy de Enoch Kwasi Walanyo Wallace agudi catch back pe the only nomenclature the professors Green Sports the other regional Wallace na mjina of course evidence based sports presentation it the act of being a good guest is to now to say good night.
Sister waitress, Mr. President, who me table when I'm new move you.